Hello children, welcome to the social science session. In this session, we will learn that how India got freedom. After the Simon Commission, the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru asked for Purna Swaraj, which means complete independence. And Gandhiji took one step ahead to gain independence and started civil disobedience movement. So under this movement, people boycotted foreign goods, did not pay any taxes and held demonstrations against the government all over the country. The government had earlier passed salt law, which did not allow people to make salt from sea water. The poor people were forced to buy salt and pay the salt tax. So Gandhiji marched on foot from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi on the seashore. At Dandi, Gandhiji picked up a handful of salt and broke the salt law. So this journey of Gandhiji was called Dandi March. And after this, many people were arrested. Some were killed. With this, many people with Gandhiji arrested for this. The Indian National Congress launched Quit India movement in 1942 under the leadership of Gandhiji. The Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in protest against sending Indian troops to fight in World War II and demanding the immediate independence of India from the British. Here, Gandhiji gave the slogan of do or die, that is, either to throw out the British or die in the attempt. But the Quit India movement spread all over the country. British arrested Gandhiji and many other leaders. And Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army, which is also known as Azad Hind Fauj, outside India with the help of Japan. The Britishers realized that they could not rule the country now, so they agreed to free India. But the country was divided by them into two nations, India and Pakistan. So in these maps, here it is shown the map of India before independence and after independence. So the first president Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India and Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of our independent nation. And with this, India get free on 15th August and the British rule ended with this. Thank you.